Okay, so our another example right now here will be the creating a tree where you are deciding what to do, either build game and build productivity app or revamp existing app. So we have here the decision node and a chance node and end node. So for this one right now, decision node will be the square you have to draw, and that is connected to the three categories. So it will be like that. So let me just do it carefully. No, no, no. This is like a space. So you have to do it in 1 second, right? So, right. So suppose you're building game that is 75,000 and I don't know, that is build productivity, build productivity app that is 50,000. So you need to complete everything now. Then for revamp, that is existing is equal to 30,000. And that is connected to the chance node, which is your chance node is your circle. And your circle will be connected to two categories, will be the large revenue. So we can put here large revenue and small revenue, then large revenue and small revenue, then large revenue and small revenue. So for the large revenue, no, no, no. That is the probability is 38%. You have to put there 62%, then 59%, and 41%. And then afterwards, it's 55%. Okay, that's correct. For large is 55 and small is 45%. Is that right? So now, the next step, we will connect that into the endpoint. So the endpoint will be the triangle itself. So suppose that it is a triangle. Now, I'm so sorry if that's not perfect, as long as it will be identified here. So your large revenue will be um large profit. So we can say large profit, excuse me. That is LP, then small profit, large profit, small profit, large profit, and small profit. So that will become 200,000. Here is 100,000 and 150,000 and 80,000 and 120,000 and 60,000. Now, that is our decision tree already right now. And after getting the decision tree, you will need to calculate the EMV minus the cost. So for calculating that one, it will be build gain. So for build gain, that is 0.38 times 200,000 plus 0.62 times 100,000, then minus 75, which is the budget. So by calculating that one, let me grab a calculator right now because it's somewhat, I wanted to make sure 0.38 times 200,000, it will be 76 thousand plus 0.62 times 100,000, so it will be 62,000. Then you have to deduct that into 75,000 afterwards. So calculating 76,000 plus 62,000, it will equate to 138,000. So calculate that 75,000 afterwards. It equates to 138,000. 138,000 minus 75,000. So it will be 63,000. Your answer for the building. What about for, let me just go ahead and bring this in the other location so that we can use the space. Now, for build productivity app, so for build productivity app, for example, you have right here 0.59 times 150,000. So that is that one. 0.41 times 50,000. That is it. Then minus 50,000. Now, 0.59% times 150,000, that is 88,500 plus 0.41 times 80,000, that is 32,800 minus 50,000. So calculating 88,000 plus 88,500 plus 32,800, it will equate to 121,300 minus 50,000. That will equate to 71,300. So that's how you will calculate the build productivity app. So let me just change or I mean bring this into another section. So for your revamp right now, for your revamp, that is 0.55 times 120,000. Then plus 0, this is 1 and 0.45 times 60,000. So minus 30,000. Now, what about here then? So 0.55 times 120,000, that equates to 66,000. And plus 0.45 times 60,000, it equates to 27,000. And minus 30,000. And here then, plus 66,000 and 27,000, it will become 93,000. Then minus 30,000, it will equate to 63,000. So this will be the answer for the revamp. So considering that your building is 63,000, 71,300, 71,300. So 121,300 minus 50,000. That is 71,300. It's not so sobrang siya. Okay, 71,300. So what will be your best case here? Is it 63? Is it 71? Is it 63? So the best right now will be build productivity app. So this will be your best alternatives right now since we do have right here that outcome of 71,300. If you'll be going to launch that business, so you will launch the build productivity app. So that's how you will deal with the decision tree, and if there will be a three categories, so you can somewhat like that and like this. You can play with everything about that one. So thank you so much.